Good morning mga krabing. Yan. We are going to catch crab again today, but as you can see outside, it's a heavy rain. But let's see how far this rain can go.
Tanto.
Wow.
Double catch.
Hey. See the size.
Ah, pang bait na niya isa.
Yeah. It's a huge one.
Yeah.
It's a huge one. I think this is like 6.5. Yeah, 7. Huge crab again. Crabbing. Big crab. Nice one. It's a decent blue crab. Big. All right. Hey. We got a new we got a big crab crabbing, you know, crabbing kung nakikita nyo. Oh, it's a nice big crab, maybe like 7 inches. Alright, see that? Okay. Panibagong blue crab uli. Yan. Oh, another like 7 inches. Yan. Okay. Oh, crabbing. Okay. Yan. Yung mga malalaki na anak ko natin, mga crabbing. Okay.
That's good size.
5 inches na karatoy. Karata 5 datoy. Okay. Oh. Maban. Okay. That's down. Dudot tayo talo pa.
Huh?
Yun. Medyo nabidok sa tayo nga kuha na.
May lay underground.
Banyak. Four or five? Five, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Let's put it there. Having another some crab sa mga malaki yan. Crab. 6 inches yan. Karabing. Karabing. Yan ho, isang crab na naman ho. Ayan. Tingnan natin kung gaano kalaki ito mga karabing ha. Okay. So as you can see, I don't know how big this is, but let's see. Okay, kakrabing. Let's see kung gaano kalaki ito kakrabing. Tingnan natin kung is the biggest blue crab or not.
Oh man.
Grabe ha. Okay. Oh crap. See, I think that's nice blue crab. I think that's like 8. Oh no.
Yeah. Big.
That's 8 inches. Crabbing. See that how big it is? Oh my god, it's a girl. Okay. That's another big blue crab. Mga crabbing. Siguro mga ano to, no? 8 or 7. 1, 2, 6 and a half, 7, yeah. 7 inches blue crab. Yan mga crabbing, oh.
Ang laki.
Ang laki. Yan, oh.
Dua dah. Ini tahu dia main.
God, I think this is the biggest crab now that we caught it.
Hả?
I think this is
Nè nó
no, it's okay, it's okay. It's different. Bro, i-measure ta iba to the biggest blue crabs.
Damdama ah. Patan? Oo, saan yung pangsukat ka eh, di ba? Kapundo to? Subono?
I think this is the biggest blue crab right now, as you can see. Oh, holy crab, right? I think this is like 9, right? Look at that. Oh my holy. So I don't know if this is the biggest blue crab right now that we catch, but I think so. And we're gonna measure it later and let's see how big it is. Okay mga kakrabing, yan ho, laki ho na blue crab. Yan, dito ang bago naming spot, pero hindi ko nasasabihin kung saan, basta rito rin sa Texas. Yan mga kakrabing. Oh,